Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Huma, your English subject instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to discuss exercise of the chapter number 2, which is clearing in the sky. Now let's move on to our first question where we are going to discuss MCQs. Choose the correct answer. The first statement is, the old man wanted to show his son his farm, patch of clearing, his land or river. So the correct answer is his farm. His patch of clearing इसलिए नहीं है क्योंकि वो ओवरऑल उसको फार्म दिखाना चाह रहा था जहाँ पे उसने चीज़ों की सफाई भी की हुई थी, जहाँ पे उसने पौधे भी उगाए गए थे, इसलिए वो उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखाना चाह रहा था. The second statement is, the day was hot, pleasant, rainy, humid. The day was hot. How many years ago did the doctor advise the old man to take rest? 10, 20, 30, 40. It was 40. How many children did the old man have? 3, 4, 5 or 7. So the correct answer is option number C, 5. What did the old man cut with his pocket knife? A sapling, a flower, a wisp of alfalfa, a tomato. So the correct answer is a wisp of alfalfa. The sixth statement is, in how many years did the old man improve the land? 20, 30, 40 or 60. It took him 30 years. The seventh statement is, why did the old man hunt for squirrels? To sell, to kill, to cook for meal or to pet. So the correct answer is to cook for meal. What type of special tree was found by the old man? Cherry, apple, orange or coffee? It was a coffee tree. The clearing on the top was not more than 3 acres, 4 acres, 2 acres or 3/4 of an acres. So it was 3/4 of an acres. The last statement is, the lane was fenced by the son, the mother, the old man, the brother of the old man. The correct answer is the old man. So we are done with the first exercise. Now let's discuss the second exercise where we are going to discuss true false. Make the statement true or false. The first statement is, Jess's father was a weak man. False. He was a strong man. The second statement is, the old man followed his doctor's advice all his life. No, he did not. So this statement is false. The old man invited his son to take a walk up a mountain path. Correct. When the old man reached 70, he wanted to go back to farming land that had never been touched. False. इसलिए क्योंकि उसने 30 साल वहाँ पे मेहनत की, तो हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि उसको पहले टच नहीं किया गया था. The fifth statement is, 30 years labor of the old man proved futile. Futile का मतलब होता है फजूल में, यानी कि ज़ाया जाना. So this statement is wrong. The sixth statement is, the old man took the easy path to go to the top. False. क्योंकि उसने सबसे मुश्किल रास्ता लिया था. The old man took rest twice while climbing up the steep bluff. True. The eighth statement is, the old man did not have trust in God. False. The ninth statement is, the old man felt relieved of the fruit of his toil. True. The last statement is, the vegetables that the old man grew in his secret garden were better flavored because of the sunshine in the clearing. False. क्योंकि इसकी रीज़न सिर्फ सनशाइन नहीं थी, बल्कि इसकी रीज़न ये थी कि वो ज़मीन बहुत ही ज़रखेज़ थी. तो यहाँ पे ये एक्सरसाइज ख़त्म हो जाती है. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स.